I'm using a tool. So first understand, right? QQQ is a possibility, right? It went all the way up today. It came all the way to S8 and then started bouncing up. Now there is a possibility it can start dropping, right? Because you can see that in price pulse there are a lot of sellers here, 2.1 million sellers, and T5 went all the way to the top. You can see that now it is gapping down, right? So in price pulse you can see the sell signal. If you see the RLM, it went all the way from the bottom to the top, and then we got a swing sell, scalping sell. It touches the magnetic area, started dropping, and then yeah, MTFS QQQ is below S1, below magnetic area. So there is a high possibility it will consolidate for some time and then it will start dropping. So you can do two things here. One is you can take the bear call spread, right? Above this, the chances are very less for QQ2 QQQ go above 603 today. So you can do 603, 604 bear calls. Or we can also do iron condor where you sell the bear calls. And mostly it will come somewhere in between. Or maximum you can go much below this and do the bull put. So you make money if QQQ stays in this box by end of the day. You make money on the bear calls. You make money on the bull puts. So I'll show you how to do the bear calls, how to do, we can also do short iron fly, we can do short iron condor, you can also do puts, different things. So now I'll show you how to use the, yeah, SPX will also go down, but yeah, we'll add in a few minutes, an average to that. So first, QQQ is more bearish compared to SPY today. So we'll start with QQQ and then we'll add one more contract for our SPX iron fly. So I hope this is clear why we are doing it because it already first initially it came all the way to the bottom, it went to the top. Now there are a lot of sellers here. So we can do bear calls, we can do short iron condor, we can do short iron fly. So how to use the Tradier tool? You so Tradier is one of the brokerages, just like Thinkorswim, Robinhood. It is one of the brokerages where they have a fixed cost. Every month you can pay certain amount. Like with a referral, you get it for free for 3 months. Without a referral, you have to pay $30. So you don't need to pay huge commissions for the options or futures, all these things. Right? Think or swim, MyBK, they charge nearly $1, $2 for every transaction. But here, by paying 10 cents, you can complete the transaction. So, for example, let us say I want to take a QQQ uh, iron condor. Right now, it is at say around 601.45. So, I want to do bear calls above 602. So you go to 602 price and then you right click there and then go to spreads. Here you have four legs and I want to do a short iron condor because basically we are thinking it will go down now. So click on short iron condor and then you will see the prices here, four different legs here. Once you click on that, so it is showing me so 604, 605. So, but the chances are very less for it to go till 604. I'll select 602. So I'm selling 602 call. That means basically because I feel like QQQ will not go above 602 today. So I'm taking 602 call and buying a 605 call as a protection, as a hedge. In the same way, I'm thinking it will not go below, let us say 599. So I'll sell 599 and I can buy something like 596. So again, if you go back and see the picture, right, the in trading view. So we are because the price already went so much high now. So here you have buyers. So most probably it may come somewhere here. So it will stay somewhere in between. So we are going above this, doing a bear call. We are going below this, doing a bull put. So if price stays in between, you make money on both the sides. You make money on the buy side, bull put side. You make money on the bear call side. So that's why I'm doing that combination. So see, selling 602 call, buying 605 call, selling 599. Or if you don't want to take much risk, you can also do 598. I am selling 598 put and I can buy 595 put. So that means I'm collecting nearly $70 for every contract. And so just you have to click on the send. So if it gets, now it is trying to fill the order. It plays the order. Now it plays, now it basically the order got opened now, right? You can see 5 minus 5 here, plus 5 here, minus 5 here, plus 5 here, and the order got filled. That means we collected $71 for every contract. If it stays somewhere in between 598 and 602 by end of today, that means you have 4 point range. If QQQ stays between 598 and 602, all the $71 for every contract is yours. Right? For now, I took 5 contracts. You can take 5, 10 based on your account size. So there is 90% possibility that it will stay somewhere in between these two, between 598 and 602. Now it is 601.67. So if it can go, even if it goes 1 point up also, above 602, if it goes to until 602.7, you have zero risk. Or even if it goes below 598, if it goes until 597 also, you have zero risk. But if it stays between 598 and 602, you will keep all $71 for each contract. So that is how you do a short iron condor. For example, now again let's go back to that picture. So by looking at the picture, where do you think QQQ can close at the end of the day? So iron condor is a low risk strategy with low reward. If we can expect a proper closing price, then you will get much more higher profits here. So what do you think QQQ might close today? Approximately at what price? Yeah, if anybody wants, they can even sell the bull put side of it. So SPX also will drop. So QQQ is dropping first, then SPX, SPY, everything will drop. Right? We did the same thing for SPY. Right? Because we know this is the maximum today. We went ahead and did the bear calls on the top. And then you can do the bull puts somewhere at the bottom. So you make money on this side, you make money on as long as SPY stays somewhere in this range, you will make 100% of the profits. Same thing we do with SPX, right? We did a iron condor. The process is same, right? You go click right click. We did 6670, 6680 bear call. Then we went ahead and did the bull puts on the bottom. So if price stays somewhere in between, then all that $1,000 for every contract is yours. Right? SPY is like a mini version of SPX. So if you are a low risk trader, you can do SPY trades. Your risk and reward is less. If you are a high risk trader, SPX, it will give you big profits if it goes in. So if it stays somewhere in this range, 6640 and 6670, then all the money is yours, 100% yours. Right? If it goes below 6640, goes to 6620, nearly $2,500 per contract. Or even if it closes around 6640, we can still make $300-400 on each iron fly. So now we can also do one more iron fly because your risk with iron fly is less, right? Even if it comes by end of the day, if it comes to 6640 also, you'll make profits. So for example, now 6670, we can do it iron fly around 6660. So for example, if I want to do an iron flight 6660, you search here, go here, search on the ticker name, then it opened the this one. So for example, let us say I want to do 6655. Then I'll go here, click on 6655 and do short iron butterfly. So and then you select the 6655 put, 6655 call, and then go some 20-25 points up. Uh, for the call, you add 25. For 6655 plus 25 is around 6680. And then minus 25 from the put. 55 minus 25 is 30. That means we are collecting around $15 credit or $17.3 credit. So I'm doing a I- iron fly and I'm collecting around $17.3 at 6655. That means if it closes somewhere around 6655, then all this 1,730 for each contract is yours. If it stays 17 points up or 17 points down, still you will be in profit. Right? That means from 6655, if it goes 17 points up, you will be still in a profit. 6655 is the best scenario. If it closes at 6655, each contract you will make 1730. But even if it goes 17 points up, you will make profit. If it goes 17 points down, you will be still in profits. But if it closes much more than that, then the iron flies which we took earlier will make nice profits. So in that way, you will be in profits either if it drops so much. The chances for it to go up is very, very less because there are big cell blocks now. So the chances are very less for it to go up, but the chances are more for it to go down. So either this iron fly or the other. So even the other iron fly, even if it doesn't go to 6620 or 6630, but still because you already have a hedge, your risk is minimal. So if this makes $1,500, it will recover some of the loss from the other iron fly. So in that way, when you take one or two iron flies, one will cover if there is any small loss from the other iron fly, you can cover it. So we did a short iron condor, short iron fly. So with iron fly, you have high risk and high reward. With iron condor, you have low risk and low reward. For iron condor, we did right 66, 50, 66. That means whatever is your sell, it should stay somewhere between that. If it stays between 50 and $70,000 per contract is 100% yours. If it stays somewhere around 55, nearly $1,800 per contract is 100% yours. If it goes somewhere around that 66, 20, 30, then you will make nearly $1,500 per contract. So overall, at the end of the day, you will be in profits. So we took this iron fly. Actually, it is a good opportunity. We can add few more contracts. Try to do a credit at the midpoint. So the bid is 17, ask is 16.65. Try to take somewhere where you have this. So I took another two contracts. Yeah, I'll post the link later, but I hope you can, right? If it stays in this box, we'll make nice profits by end of the day. Generally, first 1-2 hours it will be very volatile. Then it will be choppy, right? So if it stays choppy, that is very advantage for us because you are mainly a seller now. We did a short iron fly, short iron condor. So if it stays choppy like this, right, it is just staying in this 3-4 point range since last 1-2 hours. So if it stays like that, or if it drops, or if it stays choppy, we will make nice profits. We don't want it to suddenly jump so much high. As long as it stays 15 point within 15-20 point range, we will be in profits by end of the day. So we'll make profits with SPY, QQQ, SPX, NDX. You can do all different trades in the same way. So we can also do bear calls, right? The chances for it to go above 6680 is very, very less. If you go here, see RLM, you have a swing sell. If you go to price pulse, you see that you are at a premium zone. So the chances are very high for price to go all the way to 6655. So if we want, we can also do a bear call spread. So bear call spread means just you are taking only on the one side. So for example, if I want to do a bear call spread, so I'll go here, 66. Let us take this one, spreads. Now bear call means only two legs. And then I want to do a short call because it already moved so much. Chances are very less for it to go further up. So I'm doing 85.90. That means if it stays below 85 by end of the day, that nearly $90, $95 per contract is yours. So I'm just doing a pair call spread on 66.85, 66.90. So if price stays below 66.85 by end of today, we'll make nearly $95 per contract. Right at the end of the day, if we need to roll over anything, we'll show you how to do the rollover. But as of now, we did a bear call, we did the short iron fly, we did a short iron condor. Whether price moves up, moves down. At the end of the day, we want it to be below 85. If it stays below 85, all that money will be yours. So with iron condor, what you are doing is you are doing a bear call. You are also going somewhere and see that, okay, here there are a lot of buyers stepped in. After a small pullback, lot of buyers. So you can do bull put below this. That means if it, instead of just making money on one side, you can also make money on two sides. That is a iron condor. If you are just taking trade on one side because you are at a premium zone, chances are very less for it to go another 10 points up because already T5 is at the top, and then you are at a disc premium zone. You have some sell blocks. Because of all those reasons, we are expecting it not to go above 85. EOD means end of the day. Generally, you can trade until 4:15 p.m. Central. Sorry, until 3:15 p.m. Central, you can trade SPY QQQ for the current day. SPX, you can trade until 3 p.m. Central. For today, you can trade until 4 p.m. Central for the future days. Uh, Generally, QQ, SPA, QQQ, SPY, they move 95% in the same direction. Some days QQQ will be little advanced. Later, SPY will follow, or SPY will be advanced, QQQ will follow. So today it seems QQQ is more weak, more bearish compared to SPY. So initially, we should see a drop on QQQ. Yeah, 3:15 p.m. is where the trade expire. Or actually, by 3 p.m., whatever is the price, they consider that for the settlement for SPY QQQ. But you have another 15 minutes to close the trades for SPY and QQQ. And even if it continues to chop like this, right? You see one candle down, one candle up, one candle down, one candle up, down, up, down, up. Like that, if it continues like this for another half an hour also, you'll easily make 10, 15%, 20% gains, even and you don't need to wait until last minute. So as long as price stays in this box, we'll make nice profits. For QQQ, same thing for SPY SPX, as long as they stay in this range. Nearly 90% on SPX bear calls. The SPX iron condor is also making nice profits. You can take gain chance by QQQ. I posted all the alerts in the options channel. Yeah. Again, if you have patience, everything will move into profits. You can take profits on the first iron fly also. You trim 80% with the first iron fly one, iron fly two. You can just hold one. Your SPY, QQQ, SPX Iron Condor, SPX Iron Flies, everything made nearly 100%. We are not taking anything for tomorrow because last 2 days it is. Now we did bear calls 100%. Right, we went above 85.90. We collected nearly $100 on each contract. And then in the bull puts, we did 100%. Right here, we did a 66. So QQQ and SPY, we went below this, did the bear calls. We went above this, did the bull puts. So whatever credit we collected is 100%. Then we did a 66.50, 66.70 iron condor and collected $10 because it closed around 66.44, 45. So nearly $500 plus profit on that. 550 profit on the short iron condor. 100% on, right? We did the ES, we sold the 67.15, 67.20 bear calls. 100% credit on that. So because it closed below 67.15, all the money is yours. So Ironfly also we took when it went all the way to 67.26, we took profits on 80%. So nearly we collected $1,500 on each one. It went came all the way down. So we collected nearly 2,500 this morning. When it came to 66, 26, 27, we kept 1,500 and bought back at $1,000. It's nearly 80%. So except on last Friday, where there was a Black Swan event, we are winning 90-95% of SPX trades. Just we need to have patience, right? Because if you buy calls, all the premiums you would have lost. If you bought puts, because of this choppiness, you would have lost all the premiums. So with the iron fly, iron condor strategy, whether it goes up, goes down, right? Even though it went all the way up because of the retracement, because of the theta decay implied volatility, we made profits on iron flies, we made on iron condor, we made on bear calls, we did on bull puts. Yeah, if you don't trade with, if you trade without emotions, just using the system. And I'm also explaining every reason why we can see a drop, why we did a bear calls, right? I'm showing you different indicators and telling you like we are at premium zone, we had sell blocks, all these things. So that's why we can go with bear calls. Today morning when it went all the way down, it came all the way to the S8 zone. Right? There was a huge buyers. There was a strong support. Then we were at below S8. So like that you can make money on, right? We made money on the bull puts first. Then again when it went all the way to the top, we made on bear calls. We did some iron flies, iron condors. We made money on all the every trade we took today. And at the same time, when you're watching SPX, you can do SPY, QQQ, all those things. We did gold. GC was going up. Right? It was above magnetic area, very bullish. We did the gold bull puts. We made nice profits with the gold bull puts. Yeah, please let me know if anyone. Yes, Alish, please go ahead.
What happened to that 620? Iron plus 620, call site 6650 and 6590. outside.
That also we booked the profit, right? When it went all the way close to 66.20.
Oh, at that time,
Mhm.
okay, I missed that. Oh,
Even
I
if it did
kept
not
it.
close also, it is nearly in small profits. The second iron fly is in because we collected nearly $25. So
The second one I did
66.20.
not take because the first one itself was
Yeah,
tired. So,
yeah. When it came all the way down, it was a nearly 60% profit.
did you posted that on the channel?
Yeah, yeah, I
Oh,
posted.
I missed that one. I waited for like when 30 came, I saw and I waited. I thought, okay, at the end, but I took the credit one call side that was good. It was 100%. So at least it compensate that this one. That's why I posted what need to do.
Yeah, I'm announcing right in the options channel everywhere. I'm telling what to do. And also here I'm telling when to book the profits. There was a huge drop as expected. It came
Yeah,
all the way. As we discussed, 66.40, 45. It came all the way down, so we closed 66.20. Then again it went up. We did the 66.50. So you made another $500-600 with that iron condor.
so you
We
did
could.
the second one, another iron condor.
No, we did two or three iron price. We did bull puts. We made 100%. Bear calls we took. We made 100% on those bear calls.
One
We did.
quick thing, maybe like when you are posting now, if you can post like the first one, like numbering type of things, second,
Yeah,
something
that's
like
what I
that.
mentioned. Iron fly one, iron fly two, iron condor one. So yeah, in the options channel, I shared that now you can take profits on iron fly one, iron fly two. Yeah. We both Raju, do you have any questions?
Hello, sir. Yeah. So do we need to have enough money to let these contracts expire?
Yeah, enough money means based on the spread, right? For example, if you are taking a 20-point spread, you need to have $2,000 as a margin. If you have 2,000, that is good enough.
Okay.
If
And
it is completely cash settled, you are taking a buy side, sell side, and also you have the hedge. So you don't need huge money.
okay. So, because last week, because I let one of those contracts expire, and Robinhood automatically excised that contract using my margin money. So
For
that's when I
SPX or no?
for SPX.
Mm-hmm. Right,
So
yeah,
that's when.
so you take the contracts based on your account size. If you have 30,000, then you maximum take one contract. If you have 50,000, you can take two to three contracts like that.
Understood. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, Vijay, do you have any questions?
Yes, my question is about the J&J and Ericsson. I know it's expiring only on Friday. Should I still hold that, or will it get
Eric,
assigned?
it is very minimal because we collected nearly $85 on a 1.1, right, $100 spread. So it is only
Correct.
$15 risk. So that Eric,
Right.
we can let it take J&J, yeah, you can let it expire on Friday.
Okay. I mean, but that one is also going. It is bullish, right? It's going up.
Yeah, today morning it went all the way to 185. So
Right.
yeah, we should have trimmed it, but yeah, we can still hold because even if it
Yeah, I
stays
had only
choppy
one
also,
contract.
yeah, even if it stays choppy also because we collected nearly 200 to $10 on a 2.5 point spread, your risk is minimal. So
Got it.
even today morning when it went to 185, that made nearly 50-60% profit. But yeah, we can still, if you did not close, you can hold until Friday.
Okay. What happens during assignment? I mean, do they automatically close it using the other side of the spread, or do I need to do something?
You don't need to do anything. If the price goes so much higher, so much low, sometimes they can assign the stock. but otherwise, generally they won't do it.
Okay.
They will keep one leg and they will assign the stocks on one leg. Like that.
Got it. Thanks, Kishore.
Hello, Kishore garu.
Yeah, please.
Today, I made all the profit on all the stocks except that bull one I am holding. At TTD, I added at $50. That was a good price, Kishore garu. Support level
Yeah, TTD is good.
$50.
Yeah. So, Vikram, on a high level, right? How much profits you made just using stocks in last 1 2 months?
100% means I invested 25K I made.
Yeah, cool. In last 2 months?
Not 2 months, June, from June.
Yeah, okay,
Last
okay.
time market dropped, right?
Right, right.
From that June, July, August, September, these 4 months.
Okay. That is equal to IT salary, and you are spending maximum 1 hour every day, right? So
Yeah, that is correct.
six
Yeah.
thousand
Wait.
dollars you are spending 1 hour to take the trades,
Yeah, that is
and
correct. It is actually these stocks are working good to me. Swing alerts, right? Earning swing alerts.
right, right.
These are performing very well, Kishore garu, compared to.
Yeah, yeah. Day trading comes with high risk and high reward, right? Sometimes if it goes
Yeah,
in the same way, same day we are making 50%, 60%, 100%. So suddenly, if there is some news comes, also there will be a swing trade. Yeah, we need to wait with patience, but yeah, it takes 1 week, 2 weeks. You make 30%, 40%, 50% with low risk.
yeah. I'm putting stop losses also. Due to that reason only, I'm doing stocks. Or sometimes I'm hitting the stop losses, and again I'm adding after stop loss. It's
Right, right.
yeah.
But still, yeah, that's a
Some
good.
stocks only hitting stop loss. I made good profit in Adobe. Many other stocks actually from good stocks. TTD I made profit. Shopify, these kind of stocks performing very well, and if
Yeah,
market Tesla made profit. TSLL Tesla TSLS TSLS also I made profit.
nice.
Yeah, some other LLY also, UNH, these stocks I made profit. When dropped to 52 weeks low, right? That time I kept money. Then those stocks went up very high, almost $100, like 20, 30. I booked the profit at $20, $15, like that only. Then
Yeah,
I left.
yeah.
Yeah, it was
Mm.
good actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Manikanta, do you have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore. One quick thing I observed today. I was looking at Sound, SOUN today. I did take the trade, but when I was looking at the price pulse and the other indicators, it was not showing too many purchase orders, but it was climbing up and up. I checked in every time frame. There wasn't many buy orders, but it was going up and up. I just want to understand how can I identify that kind of pattern for others.
Came to the discount zone.
Yeah, I was actually tracking from the morning, and I only saw one big block of sell order, uh, but still was going up and up.
So again, generally for swing trades, you always look in 30, right? In 30 minutes, you have 5 million here, 1.3 million here.
Hmm.
So overall in 30 minutes, it was very bullish, right?
Okay.
You can see that it went up, did a small pullback, went up, did a small pullback, went up, small pullback, again went all the way up.
Yeah, I was tracking from $19, and I did not see much of a green boxes, but I did take a chance and I went with the trade, but it did work out. But I wanted to understand how we can identify even though there aren't any green blocks.
No, you see the buy blocks here, right? If you see
But
there are
starting
huge.
from 19, right, Kishore?
Mhm.
Like I know that they're there
The,
below
the
at
price pulse
19.
is still blue, right? As long as this is blue, every pullback is a good opportunity until it goes to the premium zone, until you see major sellers.
Okay, okay.
So 23 is the possible target for SYUA.
Right.
Already, I think we bought around at $12 or $13.
Right.
Yeah. And then we took profits at 21.
Okay, price pulse line is key. Makes sense. Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Sure. Yeah, Ravikiran, do you have any questions?
Yeah, hi Kishore. One quick question. Like, I'm actually I hold like UPST stocks, Kishore.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and I just wanted to know like how long I can actually hold it. Because when I see in our like 4 hour, right? Like, do I need to see in 4 hour or in 30 minutes, Kishore?
Generally, 30 minutes or 1 hour is good for short swings if you want to hold for 3 4 days. So as of now,
Okay.
there are sellers around 51. If it breaks this resistance, then it can go all the way to 54.
Yes. 54. Okay. Because I have seen, like, I was planning to keep it like for 2 or 3 months if possible. So I was looking at 4 hour. So in 4 hour, I see like it has, what do you say, like around up to 72, it might go, like up to 69, 70.
There is a resistance here at 54. Only if it breaks that 54. Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay,
you have
okay.
to,
Yeah. 3.78 million. Oh, okay, okay.
yeah.
So we
If it
have it
breaks,
in, okay.
once it breaks it, then this is where you have few more sellers at 61. If it breaks
Oh,
that one, then 70. But yeah,
then 70.
before that,
Okay,
it will
okay.
first go here, then do a pullback. Next time it will go till 60, do a pullback, and then
Okay.
finally it will go to 70 by end of year or something. Or if the
Okay.
earnings are good this time, last time earnings were bad, so it dropped. But if earnings are good, it can go to 70.
Right. Like based on interest rates and all, generally like this stock, goes here and there. And actually it touched around 59, 58 also at one point of time. So,
Mm-hmm.
I've taken, I took profit there again, like bought it now. I was just thinking like, whether it will go there or just like close it, by 50, 54 and all. I was thinking so.
Right. Yeah. But as of now, better you take profits at 54 and buy back if it comes
Buy back
to,
again. Then, yeah.
yeah.
And
Well,
one more thing, Kishore, like how about like silver or gold, Kishore, like for personal account? Like I done yesterday like some shorting, it gave good output like overnight, but I felt like short might be a little risky, but somehow I just got it. But again, what any
yeah,
chances today? Can I leave it or just wait for
always
some time?
better you look for 30 minutes buy orders and then better you take long at that levels rather than taking a short.
Okay,
So, for example, if GC comes to this 4110, that is a very good opportunity. So today
okay,
we may see some pullback here, and then again it will go all the way to 4190 or 4200.
okay. So I can wait till 4120, right? Like 41200 saying, right, Kishore?
Right.
Okay, and then
Yeah,
I can try to do a long,
yeah, long you can hold until 4190.
long 4190. Okay, okay, Kishore. Thank you.
Yeah,
But other
that is
overall, it's good, Kishore. Like I have taken good. Today I have taken iron condors and software and all I have taken Red Bull put. So only
nice.
thing is I missed bear call, but the other things and all it came good actually. I thought of taking two contracts, but I just took one because today it was moving up and down, right? So I just
Right.
took one, but otherwise, like it has come good, Kishore. So thank you for
Great.
all your support.
Sure, Ravi, no problem. Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah. Yeah. Jayshil, do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for your SPX target, what you have mentioned. And then I just trusted you, and then I lost faith on myself when it was 667 something, 6675 or something. But you are champion. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, just want to know about AMSC and Tesla target. AMSC, that American superconductor. Ah,
It can go all the way to $72. 72, you can have it as target for AMSC. Tesla is bearish now. Better you wait for a pullback. If you want to go long, 404 is a better price. And 445 is a better price to short. 405 is good price to go long. Tomorrow you may see a drop on Tesla again. So tomorrow, first 1 hour, if you see a red candle, then it will go all the way to 405. Yeah, Ravi, Yadati, do you have any questions?
Hi, Kishore. Thank you. Kishore, can you please take a look at the MARA, MARA symbol? I entered at like $25, so I'm in loss, but I just want to make sure if it's worth holding further.
When you entered exactly where the big companies are selling, that is where you have resistance, 25.26. What you can do is if you get a pullback somewhere around this 20.5, tomorrow you may see a pullback, you can add few more contracts, few more stocks.
Okay.
So you need to enter the trend line resistance. In case if it breaks it, then it will go all the way to 25.5. But if it starts dropping, then it will come back to this 20.6 and then go up again. So if it comes to 20.6, you add the stocks. But if it continues to go up, you can take profits at 25.5.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Kishore. Yeah,
Sure.
by the way, thanks for the SPX call today. Yeah, I ended up actually missed your alert around the time, but I bought in when it was at 34. So it
Okay.
was a lot more beneficial than the call as such. Yeah, thank you.
Right. Sure. Yeah. Well, that's it. Please go ahead. Yeah, mostly will be bullish tomorrow. It came all the way down. So, 179. You have a lot of buyers at 175. If it comes to 175, that's a very good opportunity to go long. Mostly, Nvidia should bounce back tomorrow. We have a lot of sellers here at 194, 190. Then we have buyers here. Bounce back. Yeah, Ravi, please go ahead.
Kishore Garu, I just wanted to give a big shout out, sir, for your amazing SPX calls, Ironfly, Bear calls, and all that. I uh, I made good money today. Even though I lost, I made up. So I really, at 3:30, I mean, most of us, I think we thought we were hopeless, but you were up to the point and accurate, sir. Hats off. Thank you, sir, Kishore Garu.
Sure, sure. Thanks, Ravi. Yeah, Ramesh, please go ahead.
That NVIDIA, we have a call, right? Are we still holding that one or close it? That,
Nvidia, did MK give the call?
yeah, I think so. It's a 190 call. It was given yesterday, yes.
He also mentioned the stop loss, right? Generally, in his alerts, he will also add the stop loss.
Also, yeah, right. Yeah, 1.8. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Jaishil, do you have any other questions?
Sorry, I missed out because all of a sudden my internet broke down. So I haven't heard about AMSC, what you were talking.
Yeah, okay. So Tesla is at a resistance now.
Mm-hmm.
So if it goes to 440, 442, better to go for shorts. And best time to buy is 405 for
Okay.
Tesla.
And AMSC, sir, last
The AMSA is looking bullish for 70, 72.
okay, sir. Thank you kindly.
Sure, yeah. Go all the way to this 72 plus and then drop. Yeah, that's it, everyone. Right. As I said, like, unless there is sudden tweets from Trump, 85, 90% will be able to make profits with SPX, either bull puts or bear calls or iron con or iron fly. So, yeah, just we don't need to watch too many charts. Just if we watch SPX, same time we can do SPY, QQQ. NDX is little risky, though we can also do NDX, bear calls, NDX, iron flies, but the bid and ask will be very far for NDX. That's why generally we prefer SPX. SPX, SPY, QQQ, three tickers are good enough every day. Even DIA also will move in the same direction, just like the SPY. But again, if you have to quickly book the profits, it will be a little difficult. So that's why you can see that it exactly dropped. So if we did a bear call, iron condor, bull put here, bear call here, we'd have made 100%. QQQ, it exactly dropped, came inside, so it is 100%. SPY also same thing. It exactly dropped, came inside the box. So we did bull puts here, we did bear calls here. So yeah, if we just focus on one ticker, that is good enough for us to make nice gains every day. Yeah, Suresh, please go ahead.
Hi, Raju. Very
Yes,
thanks. I made like in the last 15 days, like I made nice money. Thank you for all your help.
you are the guy who messaged 27, 28,000.
Yeah, in the
Yeah.
last 15 days.
Oh, awesome, awesome, cool.
Yeah, today like I was a bit scared like until like 3:30.
Right, right, yeah. But as I mentioned, right, that's what the market makers will try to do. They'll try to hit your stop loss and then they'll bring it down. And when you think it will go down, again they'll bounce it back. So it
Yeah,
stayed in the box at the end of the day.
yeah. And also we are holding the Netflix
Yeah,
yeah,
bull
called
puts were Friday.
bull
Yeah,
puts.
right.
Yeah, I'm still
Yeah.
holding. Do we have to like what do you call, buy more or to make it?
No, we can hold until Friday. That will also move in nice profits. Overall, the SPX right market turned bullish again.
Okay.
So yesterday it became bullish. Today it did a small drop and again it went up. Tomorrow we'll see more more gap up. So Netflix and Meta, all those things will move up again.
Okay. Yeah, this RLM access is only for 6 months users, right? Or anniversary, yearly.
RLM is for annual, but yeah, you can use SLM. SLM or FLM is for monthly subscribers.
Okay, I
SLM
got
is
FLM, PP, and
T5.
RP. Yeah, R5.
Yeah,
Yeah,
those three are yeah, good enough.
yeah. Thank you once again, Raju.
Sure, Suresh, no problem. Yeah, yeah. Cool, everyone. We'll continue the evening live session. Every day in the evening also we are making 500, 600, 800 in each prop account or a personal account. So yeah, all we need is just spend that 45 minutes to 1 hour between 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Central. That is good enough for you to, if you want to trade in personal account or prop accounts, just if you, I will take very slowly in the, because there won't be much volatility. So don't miss those sessions. Yeah, AB, do you have any questions?
Hey Kishore, good afternoon. I have a question on the Tradier account side for the person. I just trying to sign up based on the link if you provided. So how much is a good amount to start with, right? If you want to trade one ES or one NQ,
You can have $15,000. If you have 50,
$15,000.
yeah, 15K is good enough.
Okay. Typically in ThinkOrso, it I think it asks for 25,000 for one NQ
Yeah,
maybe.
yeah, here you get a better margin.
Oh, okay. And then whatever profits we get, right? Let's say $1,000 a profit, then it just adds to the account.
Right. Yeah.
And is there any charges? I see there are some 3 months of benefit we are getting for no commission fees and things like that.
Right. After that, you pay either $10. If you pay per month, your commissions will be like around 50 cents, 60 cents. If you pay $30 per month, your commissions will be 10 cents. For options, it
Per
will be
contract.
completely free. Yeah. Yeah, per contract.
Okay.
Yeah. Because even if you do SPX, especially when you do iron fly, butterfly, you have 2 or 3, 4 legs. So commissions, if you have that, then you are paying very low commissions overall.
And do we have to
Otherwise,
trade in their platform or in trading which platform?
if it
Like
is
options?
futures options, you have to do in their platform. For stocks and futures, you can directly connect to TradingView and you can do it within TradingView.
Okay. And then can I do that similar thing to Replicant as well? Let's say I'm doing it for the prop firms. I can connect this
Yeah,
personal account as well.
you cannot. If you want to use Replicanter, you have to open an account in the Ninja Trader or Tradeaway. Then you can use Replicanter.
Oh, okay. Tradeaway.
Yeah.
Okay. So Tradeaway. Okay. Then it will not work with the Tradier. Replicant
Replicanter,
doesn't work
no.
with Tradier, right?
Right.
Okay. 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 Got it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Sure. Yeah. Thanks.
Sure. Yeah. Bye, everyone. Talk to you in the evening live session. Have a nice rest of the day. Yeah, VS, do you have any questions?
Sure, Garu. This is Vasanta. I
Yeah.
have a quick question. I opened the Tradier account. Looks like I'm not able to move through the process. I did the ACH. It's been sitting there for a while. Do you know when you opened, how long it took for you to get the account fully active?
Again, personal account will be faster. If it is LLC, it will take a lot of time, but personal account generally will be 1 day. And they have two separate branches for, if you want to do stocks and options, you have to send it to a different department. They have a separate wiring instructions for stocks and options. And in the same way, if you want to do futures, they have a separate wiring instructions. If you call their customer support, they will give you the details. So you might have sent it to, and also you have to put like when you are sending a wire or something, you have to say that okay, this is my account number. I want to credit for this account.
I didn't wire it. I'm trying to do the ACH. Do you recommend doing a wire, Kishore Garu? Is that the
Yeah, wire.
faster?
Yeah, wire is faster and that is better. Yeah, compared to ACH.
Okay, and I did register for the futures as well. I think it came under a different company name. I
Right.
don't remember. Um,
Yeah,
so
it
does
used
it
to
does
be.
it show it as a different company? Let me
Right.
see.
Yeah, it will show as a different company.
Okay. So are these two connected, Kishore Garu, or is it we do separate login and everything is separate?
They are separate. Yeah, they work as even though both are Tradier, but yeah, both act as two different platforms or two different interfaces.
Okay, okay. All right, okay. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Sure. Yeah, Prayag, do you have any questions?
Yeah, the question about again that video, the charges Pro and Pro Plus both have I mean $10 and $35, but the commission is more for Pro Plus, right? Compared to Pro.
No, commissions, you pay less commissions with Pro Plus.
Because it says for stocks and equity options for each trade it's 35 cents, but for Pro it says $0.
No, generally stocks they won't charge anything with Pro Plus.
And even for options also, it says $0 for Pro, but for Pro Plus it's 35 cents.
Where are you saying it?
In the link that you shared. Can I share my
Mm,
screen?
yeah, you can share.
Yeah, you see my screen, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, see this is Pro and Pro Plus. For Pro Plus, it's 35 cents for everything. I mean, for futures, it's less, but for equity ETF options, it's zero, but here it's 35 cents. And even index option also, it's same almost.
Let me send you a different link. It might be a typo or something. Tradier.
It's advantage, Pro Plus is advantage for futures, but if you go with options, I think still Pro is better, right?
No, generally, I think there might be a typo there.
Okay,
Your Pro Plus has more advantages.
okay, got it. Yeah, thanks, Kishore. That's it.
Yeah, I'm sending a different, or let me share it to you. Let me share my screen. So if you see here, okay, this is Pro. So here it is 35 cents for index options. Pro Plus is 10 cents.
Okay, makes sense here.
I think, yeah. So this is 35, this is 25, this is 75, this is 50 cents. If there is any assignment, they charge $9 here, they charge $5 here. Like that.
Okay, sure, thanks.
Yeah. Bye everyone. We'll connect in the evening guide session.